Hello friends, I am Dr. Fatima and you are watching the Mom School. Today I am going to talk about a very important skill which parents miss on sometimes, and they move on to something which is more advanced in nature and which should be dealt later on. So today I am going to talk about phonological awareness in toddlers. Okay, so what is phonological awareness? For toddler level, it's actually an awareness related to the sounds, okay, and words, how they rhyme, how they sound. Okay, this kind of awareness is called phonological awareness. And most parents, as young as 1 year olds, are teaching them letters, okay, but not focusing on the sounds. Now, here I am not talking about the letter sounds. I am talking about, and not phonics. I am in general talking about sounds. Because if you see what forms language, okay, what forms words across different languages, it's the sound. How do we read? When we try to associate sounds with letters, then we can read, or with words, then we can read. And this is the formative year when their brain is developing very fast. So instead of focusing on the letters and their sounds, it's important to let their brain process different kinds of sound, okay, and connect it across words and names and try to form the foundation of language, okay, and the foundation of reading skills. There is no rush to teach them how to read when they are as young as 3 years old. They will slowly pick up on that. Okay, this is not the age for competition. This is the age of formation and foundation. If done correctly, they will be ahead in competition later on. Okay, but right now, if you rush them, okay, to be competitive or to be ahead of everyone else, you are missing out on a basic foundation which you must develop. Now, how to develop phonological awareness? What can we do? We can do some simple activities which we generally do as parents, and I would like you to enjoy that more and stress on it more, okay, rather than freaking out about what to teach my toddler. Okay, I will be doing what to teach my toddler series. Okay, I'll be teaching different skills. I will be talking about, not teaching, sorry, different skills of what we should teach our toddlers. But I thought that this is important, looking at the confusion and competition prevailing among parents. So what activities I do with my toddler is that if I am teaching him the name of a fruit or anything, as a matter of fact, I would stress on the first sound of the word, like apple, mango, wow, watermelon. So the child is able to process sound and correlate it with the word, okay, and tries to repeat it very easily after me. And to my surprise, when I taught my child wow, watermelon, and once my toddler was trying to touch a wire, I said, no, it's a wire, don't touch it. So he said wow for wire. Okay, he associated the wa sound from watermelon to wire all by himself and said, no, don't touch the wire. Okay, so let them make associations in their brain. Now, next activity which usually all the parents do with their children is animal sounds. Okay, and please, I won't suggest using a tape, a TV, or a sound book for those sounds. I would suggest that you make out those sounds from your mouth. And a very good way of doing that is the rhyme, Old MacDonald had a farm. Okay, so Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dog. So the dog says bow wow, duck says quack quack, sheep says baba. So these are the sounds which your child will try to follow. Okay, another way is trying to make funny sounds of animals like fox, ooh, and gorilla. Okay, that will be really fun to do with your child, and that way the child is trying to speak. Okay, this will help the child to speak and develop language by combining different sounds. the next activity is singing rhymes with repetitive words. Okay, like Baba, black sheep, and like twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. So the brain will get a signal of recognizing repetitive words and rhyming words. So that will help them later on in their sound, in their word recognition and language development. And finally, I would like to say that I cannot stress more on reading out loud to your baby or to your child. So it's a great activity to be done together, and it will be nice if you can read same books over and over again, and children love that. That's how they associate pictures with sounds, and they learn words and they learn names. And talking to your toddler is of utmost importance. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and share with your other parent friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.